Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio upgrades with the Crux BTS-GM1X Bluetooth music streaming adapter. If you're like me and drive a General Motors vehicle from 2006 to 2013 with a factory XM tuner, this little gadget might just be a game changer for you. Let's talk about installation first. It's a breeze, thanks to the included wiring harness that connects right at the XM tuner location. No need to fiddle around with complicated setups or replace your entire radio system. Once it's hooked up, you're good to go. But how does it perform? Well, I'm happy to report that the Bluetooth streaming capabilities are top-notch. You can now enjoy your favorite tunes from your smartphone without any hassle. Plus, if you're using navigation apps, you'll love that you can hear the voice prompts seamlessly through your car's audio system while in Bluetooth mode. It's a small convenience that makes a big difference. And the best part? You still get to retain your satellite radio reception. So if you're a fan of XM radio, you won't have to sacrifice that feature. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This adapter works like a charm with Android devices, making it ideal for a wide range of users. Whether you're rocking an Android smartphone or tablet, you'll be able to take advantage of this handy gadget. In terms of connectivity, the Crux BTS-GM1X utilizes Bluetooth technology, ensuring a stable and reliable connection every time. And with USB connectivity available, you have even more options for audio playback. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with what the Crux BTS-GM1X brings to the table. It's a simple yet effective solution for upgrading your car audio system without breaking the bank. So, if you're looking to enhance your driving experience with seamless Bluetooth streaming, this adapter is definitely worth considering. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.